The ASUS RTX 5050 OC edition is designed with a compact, two-slot form factor, making it an ideal choice for gamers who need powerful graphics performance in a smaller build. Equipped with two Axial-tech fans, this graphics card ensures optimized airflow and enhanced cooling efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The integration of NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, along with DLSS 4 technology, allows for impressive AI-driven performance improvements and stunning graphics quality. With a dual BIOS feature, users can easily switch between quiet and performance modes, catering to different gaming environments and preferences. Its advanced auto-extreme manufacturing process ensures high precision and reliability, which contributes to the card's long-lasting performance. The GPU Tweak 3 software that comes with the ASUS RTX 5050 OC enables intuitive performance tweaking, advanced thermal control, and comprehensive system monitoring.